Greetings from Käringhamnen in Värmdö. I just got out from a 10-minute swim from the sea and it feels amazing because the sun is back, and I wanted to show you the beach when it is sunny, but we're gonna go also for a dip as well. So you see, it is 13 degrees Celsius in the air and 13 in the sea as well on this 5th of October. And this is the first time that I'm doing the beach adventure while already been swimming, but I feel like it's time also to do a bit of different beach adventures as well. So you see, I feel a bit chilly, maybe because of the wind, but yeah, my body is adapting really fast to the cold temperatures of the water, as I'm doing this every day, swimming in the waters of Sweden. Now the sea, but also many beautiful lakes here in Sweden. So this is Käringhamnen in Värmdö, and to get here I took a bus from Stockholm, 228X, 45-minute ride, and it's quite nice. I was here in the summer. Back then it was so hot, both in the air and in the water, but I can't complain now. It's 5th of October. Currently it is, let's see, 12:20 the hour is, and I also got new sunglasses that I bought in one of the scenes and outlets here in Stockholm for just 100 crowns, which is around 9 euros or $10. They are quite nice. Okay, so I'm freezing a bit, to be fair, so let's then show you also how it is here inside the water, as it is quite amazing. My hand is shaking a bit, so I really hope that you can see the beach in a nice way. Okay, let me then walk a bit around the beach to show you the beach in its whole. And you can see there is a little bit seaweed here, and but the water is so clean and clear. I was swimming inside, there are even jellyfish that are not dangerous at all. And this one is actually quite close to Storosand. It's just one bus station away, and it's a good alternative because it's not so familiar or popular. It's only the locals that come to this beach to avoid the crowds in Storosand. This is amazing. Look at this pure sandy beach in Värmdö. I love it. It's amazing. And after swimming for 10 minutes, I'm gonna go deep once again. But yeah, this is Beach Adventures with Kris, and I'm showing you different beaches in Sweden and around the world on my channel. And now we have even some waves that came out of nowhere. But yeah, let's enjoy once again here at Käringhamnen. So ready, set, and go! I'm not gonna lie, it feels warmer in the water at this point. I love it. Pure sand below, perfect for a autumn day like this, October 5th. Amazing. Let's dive in once again. Oh, did you see the jellyfish? They're quite interesting. Okay, so this is a wrap from Käringhamnen. It's time now for me to get a bit warm clothes after swimming for 10 minutes and more actually now while we're showing this beach again. So thank you so much for watching and see you soon again with another adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!